Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty Agunta. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how I make my plantain fufu. So over here is my plantain fufu, which I'm going to be preparing now. It's called Mama's Choice plantain fufu, enriched and mixed. This one is gluten free, guys. So guys, I'm going to show you how I make my water is already boiling, guys. So what I'm going to do now is just to turn my gas into low, then take out of it. So I'm going to be, so the fufu is going to be for only me. I'm going to add a little more. So guys, this is the finishing part. It looks so yummy. I am going to be eating this with correct ogbolo soup without no break. Thank you all so much. May God bless you all. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.